Hello. We are out here. We're gonna go ride around the city with the Baitmaster because he is in town and neither of us have a whole lot of time to ride. Verdict's still out on the rear tire, so I'm still kind of scared to ride my bike. But we are chilling. I wish bikes weren't so dangerous, dude. I've been thinking about that a lot. I don't know. I'm too like friggin' scared or cautious or whatever you want to call it to friggin' own one of these bikes. But I'm not, because I mean obviously I own one. I don't know, you just, if you know me, I'm not really a big risk taker. But I also feel like I need to live life and do things. Should we give him the old kick? What's up, dude? I see we have our bikes back in order.
Yes.
Very good.
New grips. Hey, you know what I think that the log subscribers would love to see?
What? Me riding in the R1?
Yeah.
Not today.
Come on.
It's gonna happen, bro. I promise. Just not today. Well, where do you want to ride? Let's go down this road and go up 4th North.
That works.
Give it here. I knew it. I don't know what this man's doing. It's easy to friggin' make a motovlog when you're like all, I don't know, friggin' in like an uppity friggin' mood. Oh yeah, that's the thumbnail. Definitely the thumbnail. But when you're like having like a mediocre day, it's kind of hard. It's good to ride with Baitmaster again. He's my boy. You can't hang out with this man and be in a bad mood. He's a freaking goofball, as you can see. Got the Tron cycle going down. That looks so goofy. Oh my gosh! If I had my freaking rear pegs on, I'd do it. Uh-oh. We have the 5-0. Ah, he's not coming after us. I think Braden actually waved to him. Come on, turn green. Brake. That's my job. I don't have a job right now because they've been closed since the pandemic started. I'm a Chinese delivery dude, if you don't know that. The thing is it's like everyone that watches my videos, I know. So they all know all these things. So what do I friggin' tell you? You already know me. The 5-0 are out in full force. Oh my gosh, we're gonna die! Like, why are you? That is so dumb. Why would you friggin' got a signal? People don't know how to friggin' drive, I'm just telling you. Here I am not signaling. Talk about a hypocrite. Good thing about riding with the Baitmaster is it makes you a little more visible. He's got the American flag helmet with a bright friggin' yellow bike. It's a little easier to see than me. Oh, come on. Frick, I can't see it. That's a safety hazard, bro. That's attempted murder. That might be a little extreme. I wouldn't say attempted murder, but I can't see jack out of this mirror now. You Wheelie. He won't do it. He won't do it. If you're telling me to... Oh, he got it off. He got the front wheel up. It's official. That is the first Baitmaster R1 wheelie that I have seen. It was about this big of a wheelie, but it was a wheelie. That's not good. Who knows how long he's gonna last before he loops this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't mean it. He's the superior rider to me. That's a fact.
I believe I can fly.
It's always fun to mess around with people. What do we have here? I don't know what that is. Let's flip around. I'll go back that way. I don't know what this is. Positivity clothesline. Oh, okay, that's nice. I like it. I like the positivity clothesline. Clothesline is a hard word to say. Oh, he's going for the knee drag. Get it, boy.
Oh yeah, it's good, dude. Did you see my cornering form?
It was pretty good, bro.
Please, no! 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 No!
She's totaled.
Return of the engine light. It's probably still the X-up valve, but I don't know. It was making kind of a rattling noise when I first started it up just a second ago, so I guess we'll see what it is. Yay. I hate bike problems, bro. Seems like I've been having a lot of them lately. My friggin' forks just started leaking. I friggin' punctured my rear tire. Here comes the engine light back with a vengeance. It's a bummer, for sure. Hopefully it'll just be X-up again, but I don't know. That's my ex-girlfriend from 8th grade. We're turning. We used to skate down this hill. It's a nice friggin' little road. Pavement used to be quite a bit better, but you know. Who needs safety when you can anime run? You ready for this? If I crash, this is gonna end up on Reddit. I know it. Oh, he's got the not the Lance Armstrong, Michael Phelps. He's got the Michael Phelps form. I hate when my engine light's on, dude. I'm just gonna paint it black. Let's take a friggin' Sharpie and I don't want to see it. I don't care. It's a nice day though. It's nice to get some fresh air. I've been inside way too much, dude. I'd be spending a lot of time inside. A lot. So I'm pale, and I don't get enough sun, and that's a fact. Later. So the check engine light was the X-up valve, which doesn't mean anything, doesn't matter. That's good. Good news. Feeling a little better. We caught having a little heart-to-heart talking about the feelies. Because we're boys, you know. Braden's a good dude. We don't always agree with everything, but I don't know, he's a good dude. Anyways, we're headed back home now. I think I've actually got enough footage off this to make a full moto vlog. It's always good to get the Baitmaster in the video because he makes it interesting, that's for sure. Anyways, we're almost home, so like, comment, subscribe, hit me with some topics you want to hear about. Log out.